Would you like to see how we're generating over $100 per day online without creating products, paying for traffic, or selling anything physical? If so, please give me the next couple of minutes and I'll show you how to do the same even if you're a stone cold newbie with absolutely zero online experience. You're only 3 newbie steps away from generating unlimited buyer traffic, unlimited buyer leads, and an unlimited amount of sales and affiliate commissions. Let that sink in for a second. With unlimited buyer traffic, leads, and sales, you'll be able to quit your job and live the real laptop lifestyle. VidCommissions is the most powerful software my team and I have ever created to generate free buyer traffic and sales. If you can follow these 3 super simple steps, you'll be generating unlimited free buyer traffic in 60 seconds or less, so you can finally break free from the daily struggles and live the life you've always dreamed of. Step 1, purchase VidCommissions. Quickly grab a copy before the price increases. Please note the price is increasing every 60 minutes, so please be quick. Step 2, log into the cloud-based app. Log in, configure some very basic settings, and enter your affiliate links. Step 3, get free buyer traffic, leads, and sales. Hit the get traffic button to enjoy free buyer traffic and sales in as little as 60 seconds or less. Yes, it really is that easy. This software has been created from the ground up for beginners just like you, so you can finally see real results online. Hey, I'm Glynn, and in this brief message, I'll show you how to create your very own 7-figure income streams the right way and get unlimited free buyer traffic and sales with our brand new cloud-based app, VidCommissions. VidCommissions allows you to get unlimited unique video content for all the traffic you need without making it yourself. As an online marketer for over 6 years, I've focused on developing products and have racked up over $6 million in online sales. The problem is the work to make that happen has been insane. Creating content isn't easy, it's rarely fun, and being honest, it's not a beginner-friendly thing to do, which is exactly why I've developed this completely new cloud-based software that gets you free buyer traffic. Practically every make money system, course, or even coach wants you to create your own content, and that's a massive mistake. Not just because it's a major hassle and time waster, but because all the content you'll ever need is already online, free to use, and usually it's better than anything you could create yourself. So I've built a clever software that finds you amazing content in any niche, then bundles it into your very own done-for-you monetized websites, which are linked to done-for-you landing pages that build your list whilst making you commissions and generating free buyer traffic for an unmissable profit system that generates you multiple streams of income using other people's proven money-making content. VidCommissions gets you unlimited free buyer traffic and sales from a 30 million per day visitor traffic source, and for the record, this has nothing to do with any hard work, anything difficult, creating products, creating videos, getting on camera, spamming social media, or anything else you could think of. This software and method lets you exploit content and videos made by others for an unlimited stream of free buyer traffic, leads, and sales. You get multiple done-for-you websites, each set up to make you passive income from multiple sources. In literally minutes, you can customize affiliate promos, CPA offers, and banner ads for hands-free commissions. We created VidCommissions for beginners and newbies to finally break through and get results they truly deserve. This is our best, most powerful free traffic software we've ever created. And remember, you're only 3 steps away from getting unlimited free buyer traffic, so you can finally break free from the daily struggles and live the life you've always dreamed of. Step 1, purchase VidCommissions. Quickly grab a copy before the price increases. Please note the price is increasing every 60 minutes, so please be quick. Step 2, log into the cloud-based app. Log in, configure some basic settings, and enter your affiliate links. Step 3, get free buyer traffic, leads, and sales. Hit the get traffic button to enjoy free buyer traffic and sales in as little as 60 seconds or less. If you can follow those 3 steps, then yes, this will work for you. VidCommissions is the easiest free buyer traffic and sales system you've ever seen. We've done all the hard work for you. Done for you list building pages, done for you monetized websites, done for you content, 100% free buyer traffic, and unlimited sales and commissions. Just follow the included step-by-step training and you can have your first automated profit factory up and running in under 30 minutes. There's nothing quite like this on the market at this price. Multiple income streams from legally using other people's content. It doesn't get any better than this. VidCommissions is a dream come true if you're into e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or list building. The included over-the-shoulder training will get you up and running fast while showing you how to get the best possible results. Below this message, you'll see complete details, a demo of the software, and results from real users of this breakthrough system. Now at this point, you're probably thinking that this unique free buyer traffic software is going to cost you an absolute fortune. And yes, under normal circumstances, you'd be 100% right to think that. considering most software's tools and resources that do similar tasks not only start at around $97, but typically charge at least $47 per month to run. But today you won't be paying $47 per month, you won't even be paying $27 a month. No, not even $27 a month. As we want as many people to succeed with this software, we've decided to completely remove the monthly fee. When you act during the limited launch period, you won't be paying monthly. In fact, we're going to give you an amazing deal when you act right now. You can get in for a one-time price without any monthly fees. You can literally get in for less than the price of a meal for two at McDonald's or even Five Guys. And it gets even better. When you act right now, you'll also get more than 70 plus brand new money-making bonuses worth thousands absolutely free. You can see all the juicy details below. Please note these bonuses are not your typical PLR bonuses like you're used to seeing. Each one of these premium bonuses can easily be sold for at least $100 each, but you're going to get them absolutely free. And to make this a complete no-brainer for you, we're totally removing all of the risk with our unheard of, no questions asked, 180-day money-back guarantee. Yep, that's right. You're getting 180 days to try this out. If it doesn't work for you, contact our support desk and we'll get you a prompt refund. Wait, there's even more. If you can prove you followed the 3 super simple newbie steps and still haven't made a dime with this software, we'll PayPal you $75 in compensation for wasting your time. This is an absolute no-brainer. That's how confident we are you'll get free buyer traffic and sales when you use the brand new VidCommissions software. The only way you can lose is if you don't take action on this incredible deal right now. You either get free buyer traffic or walk off with $75 to spend on anything you want. So hurry and take action right now because the price of VidCommissions is increasing every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more, and we don't want you to miss out. If you want unlimited free buyer traffic and sales in as little as 60 seconds with our 100% done for you brand new cloud-based app, click the buy button below right now to lock in your discount and get instant access to VidCommissions at a mind-blowing one-time price. Check below for even more details about this incredible brand new cloud-based app. Then hurry to lock in your access at this exclusive discount so we can work together to grow your list and your bank account. Whatever you decide, I would like to thank you for watching this brief presentation and have a great day, and I hope to see you on the inside of the members area to collect your first $1,000 commission.